Microsoft's long-awaited dual-screen device, Surface Duo, may finally see the light of day. Microsoft has not yet revealed the official launch date, but the phone-tablet hybrid has made an appearance on the US FCC certification website. Surface Duo has also shown up on the Bluetooth SIG website. The listings usually indicate at the imminent commercial launch of a new device. The new listings come shortly after Surface chief Panay dropped a teaser of the Duo on Twitter. The perfect balance of productivity and mobility. Surface Duo is a new dual-screen device that fits in your pocket. With two screens connected by a revolutionary 360-degree hinge, Surface Duo brings together the best of Microsoft and Android to reimagine productivity on the go. Microsoft's Surface Duo was earlier rumored to debut in July, but evidently, that seems highly unlikely now. The Verge reports that the device was planned to be showcased at the Build conference. The company, however, deferred the launch as the conference was cancelled. Microsoft is also said to have pushed the release of Windows 10X, an extension of Windows for the dual-screen devices, to early next year. Microsoft Surface Duo comes with as many as two screens, two slim 5.6-inch screens that unfold to an 8.3-inch screen. It runs Android apps and comes with special software optimization for the dual-screen design. Overall look and feel of the phone is very similar to Microsoft's premium Surface laptops and tablets. Microsoft has not officially confirmed the specifications of the device, but it is said to run on Qualcomm's top-end Snapdragon 855 processor, 6GB of RAM, and up to 256GB built-in storage. Surface Duo will ship with a 3460 mAh battery with USB Type-C charging. Microsoft's Panay has also promised a world-class camera with Surface Duo. Thanks for watching.